What it do? What's good with you, YouTube? Today is a special day. Hey, look, man, it's been so long, so many long months. It's just so much money being spent, bro. Yes, sir. We got the motor out here. You feel me? Y'all probably not gonna be able to see too well, cause let me turn my flash on. You feel me? I took the water pump off because I bought a different one for my bro. But yeah, you feel me? I got the motor over here. We about to get that thing installed real quick. I would be hooking up the transmission, but I gotta torque the flex plate bolts. Them ARP things. SF5 rated. Had to get that TCI flex plate for this little demonstration. But yeah, let me give y'all some tips on what you need if you mating your LS motor to either turbo 350 or turbo 400 or 700 or 4, whatever. Y'all going, depending on what crankshaft you got, well, what motor you got to begin with. If you got a 6.0, I believe you should be fine because it comes with the spacer on there, so you really won't have to buy no extra spacers or whatever. But if you in my situation where you don't, you feel me, you gotta buy, there's plenty of different spacers out there. Let me show you the ICT one. You just stick this in the back of the back of the motor. Yeah, that's all you really need to mate it. And then you gotta get like a dual bolt pattern torque converter, and I went with a TCI torque converter because I ain't got money like that. I wanted to get Circle D. I ain't got bread like that. But yeah, let me stop talking y'all to death and let's get straight to the video. You feel me? It's too lit. I gotta take this little stand off real quick. I'm gonna put my motor mounts on there. Had a quick intermission. Shoot, for y'all it was like probably like a couple seconds and I'm back, but reality it was probably like a couple hours. So yeah, so these motor mounts, Moroso motor mounts, I'll let y'all know as well. If you're putting it on here, you're gonna have to drill them out a little bit, and I didn't have a drill. Then my bro came over, blessed me with a drill, so I finally got it on there. It took a good minute because they just didn't want to line up. But now we about to get the motor set up in there, as y'all can see. This side, this hit the damn alternator on the bottom. But yeah, finally it's about what time it is? 12:20. But yeah, y'all see we got the motor in there. Yes, sir. Finally, bruh. Finally. But it ain't completely in there. It ain't fully bolted down because with them solid mounts, the original bolt for the motor mounts or whatever, it's too short. I mean, it's too long. I'm gonna have to go somewhere and possibly try to find another solution for that. Hopefully y'all enjoy this content. I want to give a shout out to my boy Charles Mitchell. His company is Lamar's Auto Design. I want to give a shout out to him. He's dang near a sponsor for the build. For real, for real. He's one of the reasons why I'm doing this and why I'm able to do this, because he took my he saw something in me, I guess, and he helped me. He helped me a whole lot. Shoot, everything I know came from him. I do a little bit of, I do research on the side or whatever, but for the majority of the part, he's the GOAT. He's the GOAT. He's just why I'm able to do this, do all of this by myself. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this little video. I just wanted to show y'all with me installing the motor or whatever. It's been a long night. I'm about to go to sleep. Peace. Y'all was tripping. I almost left y'all out. Y'all ain't even really get to see the full finished product. Hey, look, your boy is officially LS swapped. You feel me? I'm in the game now. You did. Young fella. It's all me, baby. With help from my colleagues, you feel me? It's me. Check me out. Yeah. I gotta go get my water pump. But yeah, y'all see it? Y'all see it? Man, when I tell you I ain't never been like, bro. Only cause I'm tired right now and I got work at 6, but bro, I honestly could cry right now, bro. I ain't never been like the most I've been happy, bro, is when I got the car. But seeing this, bro, it's been so long, bro. It's been so long. And I appreciate all of y'all, man, for tuning in, checking out my videos. I really hope I can inspire another young fella or anybody really to do this, because look, I really love this. I appreciate my family, my friends. Charles, I appreciate you, bro, for doing what you do for me, bro. I really appreciate that. I appreciate all that. Cause without y'all, bro, it probably would have been a little. It still would have been a small block in here. I never would have thought I would have been able to do this just with a 9-to-5 little job, bro. Just imagine almost all these parts I got. I was working. Hold up. Let me. Oh, my fault. Y'all probably ain't want to see all that. I just give my baby a little key. But man, all the parts. Just imagine, bro, I was literally working at O'Reilly's. Still have bills. Definitely wasn't getting paid enough. But yeah, now we out for real. Peace.